So, you've heard all about the Explorer and you're wondering how to get it. Fake imali uzobona. 1499 cash is all you need. Make the family happy, yabo? If cash flow is a problem, stress. dstv has the decoder payment plan called Price Lock. With the plan, you'll only pay $5.39 a month over 24 months. This $5.39 includes your monthly subscription. They deliver the Explorer to you, whether usekasi or usabasababseni ungasabi. They even install it for you too. And the best part about this plan is that you get no price increases for the next 2 years. OMG, some G going OTT over this Explorer thing. Ooh, shem. You want it? Now, SMS Price Lock to 35980 and a DSTV consultant will call you back.
Upgrade to a DStv Explorer and enjoy world-class entertainment thanks to this great offer. DStv Compact. Nande kaya.
Miss your price increase, but none of your favorite shows